Why do some people on the internet think we wear makeup just to look good? Every time I scroll through makeup videos, there's always that one comment, makeup utar ke aao. Well, you are half right. We do wear makeup to look different. But what makes you think we spend a fortune on makeup just to look the same? Like, what exactly do you expect to happen? Do you think the person will read your comment, wipe their face, and suddenly have an identity crisis? Think about it. If makeup was just about looking better, why would we experiment with blue lips, graphic liners, and neon eyeshadow? Why would we spend hours blending, layering, and perfecting a look that's anything but natural? Makeup isn't just a tool, it's an art. It's self-expression, it's fun. And guess what? It does not always have to make sense to you. So next time you feel the urge to type makeup utar ke aao, maybe ask yourself, why does it bother you so much that someone is having fun with their own face?
I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect.
Some days we want soft glam, other days we want neon green eyeshadow with a black lip, and guess what? Both are equally valid because it's my face, because it's our face. But here's what I don't get. Why does it bother you so much? Why do people feel the need to remind others what they look like without makeup? Like we don't already know? Like we don't wake up and see our own faces every day? It's almost like they think makeup is some kind of deception, as if we are tricking people. But let me tell you, if someone can't recognize a person just because they removed some foundation and mascara, that's not a makeup problem. That's a them problem. That's their eyes. And honestly, if makeup is so powerful that it completely changes how you see someone, maybe you should respect the skill that goes into it instead of complaining in the comments. Because trust me, whether we are wearing a full beat or going barefaced, we are still us and we are still not here to impress you. Thank you and bye.